Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are diving into one of the most basic but most powerful control in SwiftUI, the text view. Whether you are building a simple UI or complex layout, text is everywhere. Stick around to learn how to use it effectively, and we will also explore the power of attribute string for restyle text. So, what is text? Text is SwiftUI built-in view for displaying string. It's lightweight, customizable, and work perfectly with SwiftUI declarative syntax. So let's start. So this is the text. Okay, now this is the string. For example, I am changing like a hello Swift. As you can see, whenever I change, so that preview it's shown looks like this. So that one line is fully functional label. Okay, but let's fun with adding a new style on that attribute. So let's say I am adding font should be, let's say, title. See, now also we can set font as in bold. So for that, as you can see, we have property that is font weightage. See, if you want to apply for color, so in that case, if you want to set red or whatever. Okay, so uh, so this is the like single line text. Now if you want to like you need to set some long story. Okay, for example, hello Swift, lorem ipsum, let's say. See, this is the multiple line. If you want to set only single line or maybe two line, so for that we have property like line limit. Here you need to set, let's say I am setting two line. Okay, yeah, so that tag should be like there is no padding, so I am applying padding on that. See the result. So that is related to like tags with normal string. SwiftUI now support rich text with attributed string. Let's see how to highlight certain word. So let's this text as it is now. Let's say get my attribute string, that is return type. Let's say attributed string. Okay, now let's say variable my string equal to, let's we set like learn SwiftUI with style. Okay, now for example, and also we return this text. Okay, so when we set text get attributed string is loading. See, now suppose this is normal text. Now I need to like highlight or maybe change some color. For example, that SwiftUI normal color is black. Now we need to change to red. So let's create that part. Let's say if let we can say first find out that range is equal to my string. Yeah, see the, now we can, so here we have find if range is available. For example, it's iterate this text, and if find this string, in that case here we have received that range. So we can set, let's say my string of range dot let's say foreground color. So that means we can set that red. Okay, See the effect. Now we can set, let's say we can change that font style. Font weight should be bold, or maybe let's say font, we can set font as in title. See the result. If you want to apply padding, so that is also applicable here. Let's say padding with like let's set some large text, and here we can set. See the result. So that is related to attributed string. That's it for the text view. Hope this helped you to master text in SwiftUI and keep practice. In the next video, we will cover button and action. So be sure to subscribe and follow the SwiftUI playlist. Drop your question in the comment section. Thank you.